Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can watch Netflix but offline. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step. So don't you worry about anything. And if you have any problem or any queries like this or like that, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Netflix and just log in with your account, and then you'll be over here like this. So let's say I want to watch this show offline. So what I need to do is I need to download that first. So I just download it and then it will be downloaded. And now to watch it offline, I just need to go over here on the bottom my Netflix and just go to downloads, and from here you can watch it offline. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.